So if your family already has a profile in 4-H Online, and you maybe were even in 4-H in the past, but you are not in 4-H this year, there's a new, slightly different way to do your enrollment. So instead of going through and editing to add 4-H camp on your already created profile, you do not want to do that. Instead, you're actually going to add a new member, youth, adding a short-term member. This is the key part. This makes you not pay the $25 state fee and $25 late fee for Benton-Franklin 4-H. Instead, this just gets you able to enroll in camp. So then you put in all of your information again. Make sure everything is updated. Training is because of what we're doing here to show you. Benton is because that's where the camp is with Benton and Franklin. You're going to fill out all of these, reading and agreeing and signing, hopefully. Don't add a group, just hit continue. Invoice C, 0, continue. Submit enrollment. And here you have another responsible youth. This was the old one and has a member ID because they were in 4-H before. So this one is the one we want for enrolling in an event. Which is the second one on the list? Now registering this way to be a counselor at camp.